Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today we are going to focus on vowel sounds and basic pronunciation rules in Dutch. This will help you speak more clearly and sound more natural when talking to patients, colleagues, or neighbors. Let's start with the 5 main vowels in Dutch. Hij, ar, a, e, o, u. Each vowel has its own sound. Let's go through them one by one. For example, in the word water, which means water. Let us break it down. Wa, ter, water. Repeat after me. Water. The vowel a sounds like the e in bed, but sometimes it sounds like the e in the English word, the. For example, in the word meneer, which means Mr. Let us break it down. Me, neer, meneer. Repeat after me. Meneer. The Dutch vowel I sounds like the I in machine. For example, in the word ik, which means I. Let us break it down. Ik. Repeat after me. Ik. The Dutch vowel o sounds like the o in more. For example, in the word zondag, which means Sunday. Let us break it down. Zon. Dag. Zondag. Repeat after me. Zondag. The Dutch vowel u is a unique Dutch sound. It does not exist in English. You need to round your lips like saying oh, but say e from inside. For example, in the word uur, which means hour. Let us break it down. Uur. Repeat after me. Uur. Now let's look at double vowels. These change the sound. A is a longer sound. Like in straat, which means street. Let us break it down. Straat. Repeat after me. Straat. O is a long o sound. Like in groot, which means big. Let us break it down. Groot. Repeat after me. Groot. E is a long e sound. Like in meen, which means I mean. Let us break it down. Meen. Repeat after me. Meen. U is a long u sound. Like in muur, which means wall. Let us break it down. Muur. Repeat after me. Muur. Now some short versus long vowel examples. Pan, which means pan. Short. A means short vowel. Pa. En. Pan. Repeat after me. Pan. Paan is not a Dutch word, but if it were, the aa would make it sound longer. Paan. Repeat after me. Paan. Let's review a few more common vowel sounds in real words. Boom, which means tree. Let us break it down. Boom. Repeat after me. Boom. Vis, which means fish. Let us break it down. Vis. Repeat after me. Vis. Huis, which means house. Let us break it down. Huis. Repeat after me. Huis. You are doing great. Vowel sounds are the heart of Dutch pronunciation. When you get them right, everything else becomes easier. Keep practicing the sounds slowly and clearly. You will notice improvement in every conversation. Tot de volgende keer.